here with Mr. Key. So get up with lots of sun and peace in my potassium. So if you're ever in the tropics, please stop by and say hello. And I'll be sitting on my front porch watching the bananas grow. I said, I wanna go where bananas grow. Life's moving away tonight.
maybe you can clear up. What is the difference between a piñarita and a margalata?
A margalata is a lot bigger margarita.
Well, we got some margalata folks out here. Look at them. There's a whole bunch of them over there.